Hi, I'm Collins. Avicii digital marketplace business model is evergreen. Our platform changes how and where transactions happen. We believe generative AI revolutionizes our market structure and also gives buyers access to our unprecedented inventory, creating a much better user experience. On the demand side of our business structure, AI's impact on buyers is fairly consistent across our platform. Through the implementation of AI, we have seen tremendous key improvements in areas such as 1. New search modalities. Buyers will no longer have to search for items by an exact title or meander through complex filters. They can use natural language voice search from speech to text to describe what they're looking for and get results. These changes will reduce scrolling fatigue and make it more likely for a search to convert into a transaction. Finding what you're looking for is crucial to getting an order placed.
2. Custom supply creation. This involves using text or voice search to match users' needs and authors' creative vision. Imagine a marketplace where a search for product, e.g., mittens with the Bernie Sanders meme printed on them, doesn't yet exist. The marketplace can then match the user with a creative author according to the niche, who is able to bring their vision to life at the quality level and price they are looking for. 3. Negotiation and customer service. By the introduction of advanced chat AI and human avatars, this one-time experiment will open up intriguing possibilities for customer satisfaction without the need for customer care service. Why shouldn't marketplace buyers have an always-on assistant, trained on supplier data, that can answer questions, play price negotiator, or provide other forms of customer service? This could also be positive for suppliers, reducing time spent on non-core tasks.
The future is bright for the Avicii digital marketplace in this AI era. Buyers will have more options than ever, and AI will unlock a much more delightful user experience through natural language search, automated customer service, and more. On the flip side, our sellers will be able to do their jobs more efficiently with the help of an AI assistant that serves as a second pair of hands to drive their business. By abstracting away everything that isn't core to the transaction, they can drive more volume and focus on the parts of the job where their special touch matters. Avicii AI will drive a more liquid and more stable market balance with more listings, higher conversions to transactions, and more repeat purchases than ever before. By the way, I'm Paul. Alongside my colleagues Collins and Kelly. Shop innovated. Shop stressless. Shop with Avicii.